Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and today I have an unboxing of the Spellbinders April 2023 Quick and Easy Card Kit of the Month. I have been loving these kits. I've also subscribed to some of the other kits. So right now this is the only one that they send me, but I will link to all of the kits below. There's a large die of the month and a small die of the month, some of my favorites. The new 3D embossing folder of the month club is gorgeous. Like every month I'm sort of salivating over it. I subscribe to at least one kit a month, sometimes more than one. And part of that is that they're a really great bargain. And sometimes you can get those items after the month is over, but then the price goes up. As an added bonus, when you are a subscriber to any of the kits, you get 10% off your Spellbinders orders for the rest of the month. So anyway, I will link all of that below. They are affiliate links. I so appreciate it if you use my links, even if all you're going to do is click it to go look. If you end up making a purchase, I get a small percentage of that sale, and that just helps me to bring you more content and more ideas for free here on YouTube. Anyway, so here's the Happy Skies Ahead. It comes in this little bag. It's pretty durable. I take it out ahead of time so that I don't look like a fool on YouTube. It always comes with this sort of inspiration sheet. It tells you kind of what you will find in the kit, and then we'll walk you through making a card. I think that's really great. Sometimes I'm stumped when I first open it, and this is a really great way just to kind of warm up my creativity. Your kit will always come with a roll of double-sided adhesive and some adhesive foam squares. Then you will have 8 A2 cards and envelopes, though there is enough in these kits that you could make way more than 8 cards, as long as you have a couple extra card bases. Okay, so I have 5 colors, usually 1, 2, 3, yep, 5 again, of A2 size colored cardstock. This is so vibrant. I love when we get this mix of like softer and brighter. So I have a bright pink and then a pastel pink, a nice grassy green, and then 2 shades of blue. We can do some serious tone on tone here. So there are 20 sheets of A2 colored cardstock, and that's the Spellbinders cardstock, and it is really excellent stuff, super high quality. Then we've got some 6x6 patterned paper, and usually there are some foil accents in here too. I'm getting a first look at it right along with you. We've got some more muted patterns. Like I like that we get some of those to use. So you can have one pattern that's sort of your hero paper, and then another pattern that layers well with it. Oh, those are pears. Those are tiny little pears. I love that. Look at that. Oh, that's super fun. I'm going to be fighting my kids for that one. I have to keep them out until I make my cards. These are sunglasses, super cute. Some cherries, some jam and crescent rolls. There's definitely like a springy, almost summery vibe in here, and I am here for it. It's been warmer here, and then like yesterday it snowed. It snowed, you guys. I don't even know. Oh, there's little foil accents on those trees. I don't know if you can catch that. So there is some really cute, fun patterned paper. Set that aside. I've got some chipboard stickers. And there are 2 sheets. Let's see if I can get them both out. Whoa. So here's this one. We've got some tags. I love this huge ice cream cone. You guys, I just started posting to like Instagram and social media and stuff a little over a year ago. That was my first hashtag. And so I don't know. I chuckle at it every time because it's like, now I'm not old. I know how to hashtag. Anyway, here we have, you deserve all the good things. Enjoy this, and some numbers. Those are cute. Oh, I love that little ladybug and the strawberries. I don't know what it is about a good strawberry, a die cut, you name it. I am here for it. Okay, these are puffy stickers. I'm going to maybe grab this guy out of there too, just to make this easier to see. So we have, hello sunshine, the best yet, it's your day, happy birthday, sunshine and smiles. My main squeeze, thank you, be bright, be you, celebrate just for you, hooray, shine, enjoy, all my love, beautiful, let's make memories, the best yet, have a sweet day, think happy, be happy, cuteness overload. Sometimes I feel like the card kit has more like scrapbooky, journaly sentiments and fewer card sentiments, but there's some pretty good card ones in here. My kits will use the emergency sentiments. If you're new to my channel, I will link the emergency card playlist. It's a free downloadable set of sentiments. I like that because that's the kind of card I typically keep in my stash. But these are awesome. I will hang on to those too. They coordinate nicely. I might use both on some of my cards. And then we have this massive pack. I'm going to leave it in there so don't lose anything. Massive pack of numbers and letters. And I don't know if you can tell, that is a foil detail, gold foil detail on those letters, which is really beautiful. We have a pack of sequins. You know, I said gold foil, but I thought maybe coppery. Like these coordinate. I'm just going to go out on a limb and say I think they coordinate. These don't have a hole in them, and I love them. Spellbinders has the best sequins. They just seem a little like heftier than some other sequins. And then this, I always save this for last. The die cut pieces are, this is so, could you guys see like how much is in there? You typically get 2 of each, and there's some gold foil detail. I'm just going to hold this up here. Like, look at those little ladybugs with their gold foil dots. Simply the best. We've got some florals, teapots, a cell phone. Oh, I love that. Got some nice big hearts. And like, you can always remember, you can flip these over and create like a place to put a sentiment or another focal point. This cute little dress. What else is in here? Rainbows. Gotta love a rainbow. Oh, look how big that is. Right? With the sun and the cloud. I love when we get little stamped shaped things. Something about a letter. I'll probably make a card that has something like a letter, maybe a fun fold or something. We did one a while back. Let me know in the comments if you remember that one. If you don't, I might do that style again because I love it. A bird. Okay, I'm gonna dig. I'm gonna try to go a little faster. Oh, gelatin surprise. That's so great. That's funny. That's really, really funny. Some strawberries with a gold foil accent. Lots of florals. Some oranges. And this beautiful, like, I don't know if you can see that. The gold foil again. We have a critter. Look at this little bear. Oh, look how big that is. That's super great. We got birthday cards coming. Oh, check it out. That little bit punches out. I love that even more, so that then if I've got like pattern paper happening, right, you can see that pattern paper behind it. A lovely tree with gold foil. S is for sunshine. Look at those strawberries. That's huge. Lots of strawberries. This is right. That's where I'm getting that almost summer vibe. Please, please, please send it now. That's cute. Like a little neighborhood. Some picnic situation. Okay. Okay. I mean, I could sit here and I could show you all these different die cuts all day long. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to link below to this kit, and they'll always have a picture that opens up and then you can zoom in and it will show you all the different die cuts. They're super fantastic. Don't forget, if you like the die cut idea, but you don't want to buy a whole kit, Spellbinders often will sell like extras. You might not be able to find them yet for this kit, but like for previous kits, for like $5, you can get just die cut pieces or just a paper pack. I will see if I can get to a page or find a way to put them all on a page where you can search a bunch of those together without having to work too hard at it. Sometimes I can, and sometimes technology. Thank you so much for joining me. I've got a couple videos coming using the contents of this kit. I hope to see you there. Give this a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Bye, everybody.